Hey, real quick, if I asked you what's the fastest way to get rich, what would you say? Lottery, crypto, start a business, rob a bank? Just kidding, mostly. The truth is, a lot of people have tried to get rich fast. Some made it, some lost everything, and a few just scammed their way there. So today we're going to look at what actually works, what pretends to work, and some weird, hilarious ways people got rich way too fast. Let's go. All right, let's start with the real stuff. The legit legal ways people actually got rich quickly. No shady business here. Inheritance. Let's be honest. The fastest way some people get rich is by being born into it. It's not sexy, it's not grind set, it's just lucky DNA. Fun fact, around 21% of millionaires inherited some or all of their wealth. The average inheritance in the US is about $46,000. But for the super wealthy, it can be millions. So yeah, step one, choose your parents wisely. Business flips. This one's a real hustle. People create a business, build it fast, and sell it for a huge payday. Example, the guys who built Instagram, launched in 2010, sold it to Facebook just 2 years later for $1 billion. That's like speed-running capitalism. There was also someone who sold a meme NFT for over $1 million. A meme, a JPEG, for 7 figures. Sometimes I think the internet runs on chaos and vibes. Investing at the right time. This one's all about timing. Some people got into Bitcoin in 2010, when it was literally worth pennies. They held on to it, and boom, multimillionaires by 2021. Same thing with Amazon's IPO. In 1997, a $100 investment back then would be worth hundreds of thousands today. So yeah, sometimes get rich quick is just get in early and don't panic sell. Selling a company. Beyond startups, even small creators have cashed out fast. Like the guy who made Flappy Bird. Remember that super annoying game? He was making $50,000 a day in ad revenue until he deleted the game because it was too addictive. Imagine being so rich, you quit your own success out of guilt. Now let's look at the not-so-legit side, the infamous get-rich-quick schemes. Some of these actually worked, at least for a little while. Others, just full-on disasters. Ponzi schemes, you've heard of them. They're called Ponzi schemes after a guy named Charles Ponzi. In 1920, he promised people 50% return in 45 days. And for a while, it worked. He was making $250,000 a day, which was basically Elon Musk money back then. But like every pyramid, it eventually collapsed. Turns out, stealing from Peter to pay Paul only works until Peter wants his money back. The lottery. Ah, yes. The dream. Spend $2, win $200 million. And yes, it does happen. But your odds of winning are around 1 in 292 million. You're more likely to get struck by lightning twice while holding a winning ticket. And here's the kicker. 70% of lottery winners go broke within a few years. New cars, huge houses, bad investments, and poof, gone. Miracle side hustles. Dropshipping, forex trading, online courses promising $10,000 a month in your sleep. Some people made money. Most people just bought someone else's course and made them rich instead. There's nothing wrong with online business. Just beware of anything that promises easy money with no effort. That's usually a red flag in a Gucci suit. So, what's the real fastest way to get rich without breaking the law or betting your life savings on Dogecoin? Let's talk strategy. Leverage plus timing. This is what most fast-track millionaires have in common. They catch a wave early, like crypto, short-form video, or AI, and they go all in. That's leverage, using tools, platforms, or people to grow faster than you could alone. It's risky, but it works if you play it right. Network effect. You know how social media platforms blow up? That's the network effect. More people equals more value. The same applies to products, businesses, and ideas. If you can create something that spreads easily or people talk about for you, growth can be exponential, like going from broke to booked out in months. Knowledge arbitrage. This one's underrated. Know something others don't, and sell that knowledge. Example. You learn how to rank videos on YouTube. you teach others. Boom. Digital product, coaching, course. It's not luck, it's skill at the right time. So yeah, getting rich quick, it can happen. But most of the time, it's either high risk, high luck, or high scam. And sometimes, it's just plain weird. Like in 1975, a guy made $15 million selling pet rocks. Yep, rocks in a box with breathing holes. Turns out, you don't need a genius idea, just a weird one that people talk about. So, here's the real takeaway. Fast money is possible, but it's rare, risky, and sometimes totally ridiculous. The best shortcut? Probably patience and strategy. Not exciting, but way less likely to land you broke or in jail. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and tell me in the comments, what's the craziest get-rich-quick scheme you've ever heard of? Don't forget to subscribe for more fun money facts. And who knows, you might be one fun fact away from your $1 million idea. Catch you in the next one.